Hey there! Planning to work in Greece as an EU citizen? Let's dive straight in and demystify how you can secure your spot in the Greek social security system. Trust me, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Why is social security important, you ask? Well, it's your ticket to healthcare, pensions, unemployment benefits, and family support. To unlock these, you need two magic numbers, AFM and AMKA. First up, the AFM, your tax identification number. Think of it as your financial ID in Greece. To get it, swing by your local DOI tax office or the Citizen Service Center known as KEE. Armed with your passport or ID, fill out a simple form. Voila! You get your AFM on the spot. It's your gateway to everything financial in Greece. Now onto the AMKA, your social security number. This little number is crucial for accessing healthcare and pension benefits. Visit a KEP office or FKA branch with your passport and freshly minted AFM. After filling out a quick form, you'll receive your AMKA immediately, either on paper or digitally. Remember, these numbers work hand in hand. AFM ties you to the tax system, whereas AMKA hooks you up with Social Security. With both, you're all set to work legally, contribute to your pension, and safeguard your health. Quick tips. Hit the KEP office early to dodge queues. Ensure your documents are valid. Keep copies of your AFM and AMKA handy for any paperwork. So, there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to stepping into the Greek social security system. Get your AFM, grab your AMKA, and set sail into your Greek adventure with peace of mind. Your future in Greece begins with these vital numbers. Good luck and enjoy the journey.